What's good, YouTube? How y'all doing today, man? Finna go do some vlogging today. Finna go do some record some videos. I don't even know, actually. Finna go just do some stuff, man. It's like 9 a.m. in the morning. You know, I'm finna get my stuff ready. You know, I'm finna go out. You know, I don't even know where I'm going today. I'm just going somewhere, man. So, you know. Finna get in my camera bag. Finna go see what's up, bro. You know, and that's really it. Finna have my little backpack. Hey, I haven't worn this backpack. I'm gonna just stop wearing my backpack. Sometimes, like when I go to like trails and stuff, it'd be a little crazy out there. So I wear certain backpacks. I usually would wear. Where's today? I'll probably wear like that one right there, that bottom one, or like that Herschel one, you know, that one right there, or some other ones. But I'm finna just do whatever. I'm finna wear whatever backpack I wanna wear, and yeah, but I'm gonna see y'all later though. I'm gonna get ready, and then we're gonna be outie, and then that's it.
It's the adventure in it all, man.
That's all it is. That's wild. Focus be so cool.
Oh, yeah.
I was shooting autofocus, it's just that, you know, you're used to it. But like when I'm used to it, I was like, yo, manual focus is lit.
Manual focus, whenever you got, especially when you got your tripod, that's the best. Because I don't have, like, real steady arm for it. I guess I could with more practice.
Well, I don't got a steady arm in the car. Like, that's my hard part. I don't got one in the car.
You know, you get one of those things, it's like, oh shit. One of those, you hold it, but it like automatic.
Oh, that's my thing. Oh, that's your thing.
Excuse me.
Yeah, whatever, I'll just make the door. Come on, bro. You ever seen a gimbal?
Oh, what?
A gimbal.
What is that?
It's like it helps you keep things steady, for real, for real.
That might be what I'm trying to describe.
Yeah, people hold it. They hold it. It's just like this, and they hold it.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
They got phones for cameras and all that.
Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. It automatic. I don't care how you move it. It's gonna keep it steady.
I don't even know. That's so high.
And it just doesn't seem like when you're on it.
I mean, I know they big for real, but like.
But when you look,
when you walking under it though.
I'm thinking about how they have those concrete pieces on the back of those trucks. And I'm like looking at it like it's really that big.
Today was fun. It really was. My day got cut kind of short because the person I was with, they were on my ride, and they had to do something. So it got cut kind of short. But it was fun while we were out there. We were in a whole different space, you know, something I never been to, of course. And I enjoyed it while I was out there. It was nice, you know. Of course, probably didn't get to film as I wanted to, you know. But I did see so much in a different space, and I truly enjoyed it. But besides that, I'm legitimately so freaking happy that I have this camera now, man. It's like, I don't know, it's all I've been around lately this past day. Crazy. So that's how I was like during that snowstorm. I saw one of my cousin had went somewhere in the snow. I saw I'm really excited about doing. Like, I don't mess with the cold like that, but if I'm like recording or doing something like out there, then I'm definitely down for it though. But that's one thing I really want to do. That's on my bucket list, just to film a video in the snow. Like in the snow, not Texas snow, like snow,
like
man.
Colorado mountain snow, yeah.
I've been wanting to see them trees and they go across. Like
when I got a Bastrop.
They went over there.
Got on Highway 21. They had pine trees on both sides of the road, and they were kind of like, they didn't really connect at the top, but they were so tall. And when you go through it, you feel like you're going through a cave or tunnel or something.
Step one was for me to get a camera, and I got it, and I've been obsessed with this camera for the past couple of days, man. That's all I've been around. I'm legitimately falling in love with this camera, bro. It's just so cool, you know, the zoom in, the manual focus, the autofocus, the different lenses that they're having. This is about only lens that I've had, you know. about my tripod more and everything like that. It's been so fun using this camera, bro. And I cannot wait to use this more. One thing I can say is I'm definitely proud of myself. I feel like I'm becoming more confident in my filming and me just doing what I want to do. I feel like it's slowly getting there, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm more patient, you know, instead of trying to rush something. Most of my stuff is not rushed, but there are some times where I'm like, I gotta hurry up. And I don't get the clip that I exactly want, you know. And I feel like today I got so many shots, so many like pictures, some of the footage that I've wanted, you know, or I'm learning about something else, you know, learning how to use my tripod more because I'm just chilling, you know, I'm comfortable in my space, man. And there's so much that this camera can do. It's like, dang, you know what I'm saying? Step by step, I'm just learning more about it.